Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Gina Amon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make this amazing cheesy sausage and egg bread. It turned out so delicious, and I hope you're going to give it a try. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, add in warm water, egg whites. I used 2 egg whites. Add in dry active yeast, sugar, powdered milk, and mix these ingredients together till well combined. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. After everything has come together, I added in olive oil and the flour. So the last ingredient that I'll add in here is salt. I'll mix until well combined and then until it forms a dough. Once it's formed a dough, I'll knead it more or less for about 5 to 7 minutes. But I'll then add in the rest of the flour before kneading it again. So I'll go in, make sure you play with the dough. If you want a stretchy, nice bread, make sure you have time for the dough. Knead it until it gets stretchy. So after 7 to 8 minutes, this is how it turned out. And when you press and it bounces back, that means you're at the right point. Cover it with a cling film or a kitchen napkin and let it sit for at least 2 hours or until doubled in size. Because it's cold here, mine sitted for about 2 hours. So the next thing you're going to need is your sausage. Let's go ahead and prep your sausage. You need a skewer as well. So I place it down and then I place the sausage on top. All you have to do is to use your knife and cut it as demonstrated in the video. It's very simple and it's easy, guys. This recipe turned out so delicious. Please try and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. So guys, set it aside, and then you also need a grated cheese, so that one to set it aside as well. Once the dough has doubled in size, sprinkle a little bit of flour on your work surface, deflate the dough and transfer it on your work surface depending on the quantity of your dough. But I divided mine into 5 equal parts, around 100 to 110 grams each. So bring one, roll it in the ball shape, and then put it back on your work surface. Make sure you cover it with a cling film to stop the surface from drying out. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on your work surface, bring one of the dough, and then sprinkle a little bit of flour on top. Now use your fingertips to press it to make it round. After, transfer it on a parchment paper and then make sure it's well round, just as demonstrated in the video. So this is where the cheese comes in. Make sure you place it, or make sure you put it at the edge of the dough, and make sure you push it so they don't come in the middle. After, brush the middle with water and then pull the edge of the dough to wrap the cheese as demonstrated in the video. It's very easy. Make sure you use your other finger to help push the cheese to the edge, and then use the dough to wrap it. It's very simple when you're doing it. It's just made so easy. After, I went ahead and placed the sausage, or you can call it hot dog, but we call it Wurst here, some call it sausage. I then placed it in the middle. I added in just a little bit of cheese, and then I placed the egg yolk in the middle. So it's only the egg yolk that you're using here, not all the egg, only the egg yolks. So after, brush the edge with egg wash and bake this bad boys at 170 degrees Celsius from 20 to 25 minutes. 170 degrees Celsius from 20 to 25 minutes. When done, brush the edge with butter, and that's it, guys. This is simple, it's easy, but yet it turned out so delicious. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. If you like this amazing recipe, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page. And guys, just look at it. This is amazing. It's cheesy. It's so delicious. It's yummicious. It's ginamicious. Guys, look at this. It was delicious. Try this. Please try this recipe. You don't know what you're missing. So to take it to the next level, I used mayonnaise and ketchup. I just like do the zigzag sign on top. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.